everyone, this is Sravanthi. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Aditya University. I'm truly grateful to have secured an internship at Walmart with the stipend of 1 lakh. Aditya University plays a huge role in achieving this milestone. This campus offers great infrastructure, quality education and challenging environment. The faculty here are very approachable and encourage us to push our limits. Apart from the academics, the placement training at Aditya is truly exceptional in that there is one institution which is Technical Hub provides CRT sessions, technical trainings, mock interviews which boosts our resume and builds confidence and makes us industry ready. Thank you for everyone who has been part of this incredible journey. Thank you.